Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Sameer Surdana, a plus educator on Unacademy. So in this video, I'll be discussing CAT 2017 slot 1 set. It's known as height and platform set. We will be discussing all the sets on this platform with best and unique approach. Subscribe to LRDIprep for your 100% syllabus coverage for CAT and other MBA entrance exam preparation. Let's have a look at the set that we are going to discuss. These are my upcoming courses in the month of April. Just have a look at it. Guys, this is a set that we'll be discussing in a square layout of size 5 into 5. 25 equal size square platform of different heights are built. The heights in meter of individual platforms are as shown below. It's very important, guys, that you read the instructions carefully. Most of the time, right, the concept that is required to solve a particular LR or DI set is given in the instruction. You're not supposed to know the knowledge. You're not supposed to know that. You're not supposed to have that knowledge which is required, right, to solve any LR set, right? All you have to do is just comprehend the instructions properly. The concept will be given there. All you have to do is just comprehend it properly. That's it. Individual all of same height are seated on this platform. We say an individual A can reach an individual B if all the following three conditions are met. So what does this set is all about? We have 25 equal size platform, right? As you can see that these are the different platforms, and the number mentioned over here are representing the heights of the platform. And individuals all of same height, that means 20, all of the same heights, that means 25 individual all of the same heights are sitting on these platforms. And a person sitting on a particular platform can reach another person on sitting on another platform only if these three conditions are met. What are these conditions? For example, if A have to reach B, then A and B should be in the same row or column, not diagonal, right? Only row or column. A is at a lower height than B, and if there is any individual between A and B, it should be of lower height than B, right? That's are the three conditions that you're supposed to know. For example, if I try to comprehend it, if I try to comprehend this, if I'm looking at, right, the example is also given over here. If I'm looking at the person sitting at platform of height 8 in the row 3 column 2, it can be approached by 7 because 7 is at a lower height than 8. It can be approached by 4 because 4 is at a lower height than 8. It can be approached by 6 also because 6 is lower height of than 8, and 4 also is lower than 6. It cannot be reached by 5 because between 5 and 8 we have a platform of height 6. And then it can be reached by 5 also. It cannot be reached by 1 because 1 is not of the between 1 and 8 we have a platform of height 5 which is larger than 1. It cannot be approached by 9 because 9 is at a higher height that as compared to it. So if A has to approach B, right, A should be lower height than B, and anything between A and B should also be of lower height. This is the basic instruction that you need to follow. If you understand this part, you can easily solve the set. Now let's look at the question number 1 here. What does the question number 1 says? It says how many individuals in this layout can be reached by just one individual? How many individuals in this whole layout are there which can be reached by just one individual? Now I have to look at the whole matrix, and from each cell I need to find out all those particular individuals who are sitting at those platforms which can only be approached by just one individual. Look at it. If I talk about 6, you say 6 can be approached by 1. 6 can be approached by 2 also. You see that 1 can approach 6, 2 can also approach 6, right? So 6 can be approached by 2. I'm looking for only those individuals which can be approached by one individual. So 6 is not the part of the answer, right? If you look at 1 you can see that, guys, that 1 can be approached by 1 cannot be approached by anybody else because 1 is of lowest height. So 1 cannot be approached by 2, right? 1 cannot be approached by 2 because 2 is at a higher height. Anything that is surrounding 1 will definitely be of higher height as compared to 1. So therefore 1 cannot be approached by any individual. 6 will be approached by 2. I am looking for only those individuals which can be approached by one individual only, right? So therefore 6 is out of the option, 1 is out of the option. Look at 2. 2, you see, can be approached only by 1. So therefore 2 can only be approached by 1. So this is can be approached by one individual. So this has to be counted in the part of my answer. 4, you see that is approached by 2 and 3 both on left and right, so 4 is eliminated. 3, you can see that is can be approached, it cannot be approached by 8, it cannot be approached by 4, it cannot be approached by anybody, right? 9, you see that can be approached by 5, 6 and 7, all 3. 5, you see that can be approached by 1 and 3 both, so eliminated. 3, you can see that can be approached from 2 on the left and 2 from the top, also eliminated. 2, you can see that is approached by 2 cannot be approached by anybody because all the people who are surrounding 2, 4, 3, 8 and 6 are higher at a higher height as compared to 2. 8, you can see that can be approached by 3 and 5 both, so eliminated. 7, you can see that can be approached only by 3, right, and rest of the people are at a higher height, so 7 can be approached only by one individual. I'm looking for those individuals which can be approached by one only. 8, you can see that can be approached by 5 from the top, 7 from the left, eliminated because of 2 person are approaching. Even 4 can approach 8. Now look at 4. 4 can be approached 3 from the top and 6 from the right. 6 cannot approach. So 4 can be approached only by 3. So 4 has to be the part of the answer. 6, you see that. If you look at this person 6 can be approached by 4 and 5 both on left and right, so eliminated. 5 can be approached only through 2 from the bottom, right? So 5 has to be the part of the answer, right? If you look at 3 here, 3 can be approached by 1 from the bottom, so 3 has to be the part of the answer, right? 9, you see that can be approached by all 7, 3, 8 and 5, so eliminated. 5, this 5 can be approached from 4 from the top and 1 from the right, eliminated. 1 cannot be approached by anybody. 2, you can see that can be approached. 2 can be approached by 1 from the left and only 1 can approach. Okay, 2 can be approached by 1 and yes, 2 can only be approached by 1. 5 cannot approach 2 because 5 is at a higher height as compared to 2, so this has to be the part of the answer. If you look at 1 cannot be approached by anybody. 7 can be approached, 1 and 6 both eliminated. 6, you can see that this 6 can be approached by 3 on the right and 5 from the top, both eliminated. This 3 can only be approached by 1 from the top, so this has to be the part of the answer. 9, you can see can be approached by 2 and 3 both, so eliminated. So these are the people who can be approached by one individual only. Let's count them, right? What are these number of people? 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are total 7 individuals which can be reached by just one individual. That's the whole concept of the set, guys, right? Let me show you the rest of the question of this. This is question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. I want all of you to try this set. The detailed solution of question number 2, 3, 4 will be given in the next part of the video. But before that, you guys try this by yourself now that you know the concept. Because if you practice yourself, when you look at the solution, you'll get to know what are the areas where you are making the mistakes. Thank you so much for watching the video. LRDI Live is my referral code that you can use to get 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. On this YouTube channel, you get 100% syllabus coverage. This is my Telegram group for free content and video links. The link of the Telegram group is given in the description part of the video. 30-minute daily DILR practice is a series that I'm running on Unacademy. They're completely free special classes. Every day at 4 p.m. you can attend 30 minutes daily DILR. Also at this YouTube channel you can cover 100% syllabus coverage for CAT and other ambient exam. This is the last day to enroll for Unacademy Plus subscription at current prices. These are the current prices and these are the prices which will be effective in the month of April. So there's going to be a hike in the prices, right? These are the prices. These are the new prices, right? So if you want to go for Unacademy Plus subscription at current prices, this is the last day today. Subscribe to Unacademy Plus using my referral code LRDI Live. This will give you a 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. And these are the upcoming courses in the month of April, and you'll be able to attend all of these courses in the month of April. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part, where I'll be discussing question number 2, 3 and 4.